They did it. Hello, my fam. I just got home from my walk. The birds are chirping to tomorrow, not today. But I have to do this 24 hours in advance because you guys know how my mom is. Tomorrow, I am determined to take my mother and the kids to do a couple of really cool things. I am going to get my mom out of the house because she needs to get out of the house. My mom, like many older people, is really nervous about COVID. She is stressing about getting the vaccine. When are we getting the vaccine? It's a mess here in Los Angeles. The situation in Los Angeles is just awful. I don't even know the last time my mom did something out of the house. So I'm thrilled to take her with me to a couple of surprises. But I need to tell her today to get mentally ready that tomorrow we're going to do some 2 things, sort of. Just go with me, okay?
Buenas.
Hello.
Hi.
Look, she's wearing her mask in my house because she's being extra cautious, which is a good thing.
I have to do it.
I was just telling my fam that I have a surprise for you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay. And I'm telling you 24...
On TV?
No.
Oh.
I'm telling you 24 hours in advance that you can get mentally prepared for it.
Okay.
We're going to do something out of the house that's safe that I know you will love. Okay?
Maybe.
No, I know you will. So, just getting you mentally ready for tomorrow, okay?
Okay, let me know.
All right. You're going to say yes. You're doing it. So, tomorrow, we're doing something safe out of the house. I know you very well. I know you will love it. I guarantee it, okay?
Okay, let's see.
All right. All right. It occurred to me, I'm thinking, I should tell my mom what we're doing tomorrow so that she can mentally prepare even more for it and basically be ready in time because we have to go and be out of here by like 9:30 a.m. And my mom likes to sleep in. She usually doesn't wake up till 9 a.m. So she might have to wake up early. I gotta tell her, blah, 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 blah. Let's do this. Hello.
Hello.
So I figured that I will tell you what I have planned for tomorrow because it requires an early start to leave the house at 9:30 a.m. That's not too early for you.
For me too early.
No.
At that time I wake up.
I know.
Sometimes.
I just told them that. But I found a very lovely Catholic church that is having an outdoor mass service at 10:30 a.m.
Where?
in Santa Monica.
Close to here?
So.
How long? I don't want to drive far away.
Santa Monica.
Yeah, but I'm asking.
It'll take 20 minutes to get there.
20 minutes.
Yes.
And then we go, from where I'm going to see the mass?
I don't know. I haven't been yet.
In the car or where?
No, outdoors.
Oh, we have to see if there is not so many people because I don't get close to anybody.
I'm sure that it's outdoors. They're having mass outdoors.
Okay, let's see. If that are going directly to the car.
Okay, and then after that, I thought it would be fun to have the kids try new food that they've never tried before.
Like what?
Thai food.
Is that spicy?
No, pad thai, chicken pad thai. You've had that before, right?
I think so.
I can order some food, including that, for you guys, not for me. I'm happy being healthy. And you can all try something different tomorrow.
Okay. Let's try to do it.
All right. Well, let me go tell the kids what we're doing tomorrow.
Okay, so we have to be ready at what time?
Like 9:30.
Early.
It's not that early. I get to sleep in on Sundays and I wake up at 7. Lush.
Oh.
All right. Bye. Yay. I'm glad you're joining us.
Thank you.
You know, I have not gone to Mass at a Catholic church in years. God, they're still at it. And I just feel a calling to go to church. And I was open to going to some other religion or denomination or whatever. Let me move. I want to be outdoors. I'm far away from it now. Best dad ever. The main reason I want to go to a Catholic church is because I feel welcome in the Catholic Church again. This new Pope, he's pretty awesome. This new Pope makes me feel invited. That one awful, truly anti-gay Pope, he really turned me off on the Catholic Church. But while my spirituality is bigger than Catholicism, I do believe there's a positive energy exchange in going to church. There's positive energy and positivity happening there. So that's why I want to go. And then I want to enjoy watching my kids eat new food. I've got to start training them and their palates to try different foods and enjoy different foods. I don't want them being like Dixie D'Amelio and puking when they have squid and paella. Okay, kids, I've got a surprise.
Why?
I'm going to tell you today what we're doing tomorrow.
What?
We are going to go to Mass at a church.
What is that?
You've never been to a Mass before.
Mia.
It's a religious or spiritual thing. Mia. The one that we're going to is a Catholic church. Come here, Mia. Is a Catholic church, and people go to receive communion, and they go to be closer to God.
But why are you telling us that today?
I don't know. I just felt like it.
Ow!
Because I don't want to waste time telling you tomorrow because I want to be punctual. And my workout is at 8. So I have to work out from 8 to 8:45, shower, and then leave. And then I've got a surprise afterwards. But I'll tell you, where's Mia? 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 Come here. Where are you? I said, I've got a surprise after church.
Mia.
¿Qué? No, we're not going to the dentist. We're going to church. Vamos a la iglesia. A una iglesia. Yes, there's bathrooms. Come here, Mia.
Usualmente no hay.
Come here, Mia. All right. I will see you guys in a new day. So I just got done with my workout, and while I was trying to focus on my strength and health and wellness, my mom and sister were blowing up my phone. So there is a slight change in plans for today. My mom, even though the service at St. Monica's Church is outdoors, was still nervous about going. So she had my sister try to find photos for her, see if she could look at the setup and blah, blah, blah. And it turns out that you need to make a reservation. And I didn't make a reservation. And my sister told my mom that the website, which is fine, better to be cautious than not. The website suggests that people over the age of 65 stay home and don't go to the outdoor mass. So my mom is very, very nervous, depressed, anxiety written over everything. I thought it would be a good idea to get her out of the house and do something outdoors, but I tried. However, there is a 9:30 a.m. live stream, and I don't even have to get dressed for it. I'm going to have my mom and the kids sit here and watch the live stream with me, and we could experience it in this very 2021 way. Mario's practicing piano now. Roll with it, roll with it, roll with it. Look who's coming over here. Where's your mask?
Hi.
Wait, no, come here. Stand outside. So you don't want to go to the church. That's fine. I'm going to put on the live stream. Come sit down and we can watch it from my living room.
Okay. At what time?
In 7 minutes. It's at 9:30 a.m.
7 minutes. Okay, let me take care of my doggy.
All right.
Okay.
Come here, ladies. Come. I have to talk to you all.
Okay.
There is a...
I did not know that song.
It's all good. Practice makes perfect. You know how you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice, practice, practice. So there's a change in plans. You don't have to get dressed. We're not going to go to the church today because I didn't make a reservation. But we're all going to sit in the living room and watch it. We're going to watch the mass from my computer. A live stream. No, and then I have a surprise. Why is your face like that? What's wrong?
This song is too hard.
Well, you've got to practice and it'll get easier. Wait, Mia, I still have to tell you something. I'm going to tell you the surprise now. After the mass, for lunch, I am going to order you guys some food you've never had before.
Pizza?
No, some of you've had pizza before. I'm gonna order you guys some Thai food from Thailand. You know where Thailand is?
No.
Well, I will show you where it is on your globe, and I'll talk to you a little bit about Thailand later. It's a place that I would love to visit someday. I love Thai food, and it's important for you guys to start eating different kinds of food, okay? You're gonna love it. I'm gonna order you, well, I'll surprise you, okay? But here, everybody get in the living room. We're gonna go watch the mass. This is so modern. Pero we have to be watching, Mia. We have to pay attention.
What's that?
That's the mass. They start off with some music, praising God, celebrating God through song.
When are we gonna start?
It already started.
What is the mass?
The mass is a religious experience where different religions view it in different ways. Catholics.
For those of us who are believers, find rest ultimately and finally in the Lord.
I think it's just good to listen to what they have to say. I'll put it louder. Mia, we have to pay attention.
God, have mercy on us.
Okay.
Forgive us.
This is like regular church. The kids don't pay attention. Put the dolls away, please. Put the dolls away. Put the dolls away. Here, I'll put them away for you. I wonder if the singers are live or the singers are pre-recorded and the priest is the only one live. You know, I think I like this better than going to church, Mom, because now we can watch and we don't have to donate money.
I always donate.
She always donates money, she says. How many churches do you donate money to? To one here and one in Miami, right?
No, the when I go.
Only when
One
you...
year every month.
Every month here. Okay. Why do you donate... Hold on. Why do you donate money to a church here if you don't even go to the church?
I go sometimes.
You do? No, you don't. Did you go at all in 2020 or 2019?
2020, no.
Did you go in 2019? How many times? Once?
Twice.
Okay, whatever. It's your money and your relationship. I think it's all good. Not that donating is bad. They do good stuff.
Let us pray. Almighty ever-living God, when
Grandma
Christ
needs to see.
had been baptized in the River Jordan, and as the Holy Spirit descended upon him,
They have a little children's thing. How beautiful.
beautiful.
Grandma gets easily annoyed. Don't sit down, please. This church does a lot of music for a Catholic church. I like it.
Me too.
I'm glad you like it.
Next time I want to watch it
They don't have a live stream in Spanish.
in Miami.
You're gonna, oh, I could try to find you a live stream in Miami, okay. But then it might be really early. If this is at 9:30 a.m.
They
now.
do it in the church that I used to go, they do it at noon.
At noon, do they live stream? I don't know. Well, we gotta ask my sister to research one for you. The Lord will bless his people.
Alabaré a mi Señor, alabaré a mi Señor. Alabaré a mi Señor.
And was baptized in the Jordan by John. And coming up out of the water, he saw the heavens being torn open, and the Spirit like a dove descending upon
Haga siempre.
and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us.
All right. That was your first mass. What did you think, Mia? Grandma says that you behaved the best.
Oh, yes. She's number one.
What did you take away from that experience?
Me asleep.
Did you hear anything that struck you, that was interesting? Or listen to anything? ¿Qué? Okay, we have playroom. What did you think, Mom?
The mass was good, but I prefer in Spanish.
Okay, you said that already. All right, I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll order you guys some lunch. Yay.
¿Dónde es aquí?
Mia, Grandma has a surprise for you because you behaved well.
¿Dónde es aquí?
Hatchimals for Mia because she behaved well. No, solo de Mia. Only your sister. Oh. Pero papi te puede dar un beso y un abrazo. I can give you a hug and a kiss. Grandma gave Mia a gift because Grandma said she behaved very well. Pero Lela dice que tú no te portaste bien durante la misa. Te doy un besito y un abrazo. Un besito, un besito. Fue Lela. It was Grandma that gave it to her. I love you. So does Grandma. Grandma loves you too. Un besito. Un besito. Ay, qué rico. Ay, qué rico. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tírale un beso a Lela. Dile, te quiero, Lela. Dile, te quiero. Vamos a decirle que tú quieres a Lela. Vamos. Para que no se ponga brava. Let's go tell grandma you love her. Okay, vamos. Let's go. Okay. Vamos a hablar con Lela. Grandma, Maite wants to speak with you. ¿Qué le vas a decir?
Ah, ¿te vas a portar bien otra vez?
Sí.
Ah, muy bien. Ay, qué bueno. Qué linda la niña. Hay que portarse bien y obedecer a su papá y a su abuela.
What's in here, Mia? Did you open it yet? Wait, no, but you have to, no, wait. You have to read the... You did it? Oh, you rip it? Okay. Oh my God, what's in it? What's in it?
¡Ey! ¡Ay, se rompió!
No, she opened it. Oh,
Hay otro.
¡Otro!
Atrás.
cute. Wow. So, I really enjoyed Mass from home. It felt a lot like real Mass. It was real Mass. I had all the flashbacks, though. I used to not enjoy Mass when I was young. But I really enjoyed hearing this priest speak and encouraging us to do good and be better. You know, the brain is a muscle. The more you train it, the more it hears those things, the better it is and does. All right, let me go shower. All right. I just went to pick up the food, and one of the great things is that it was ready in 15 minutes. 15 minutes! I think it's kind of early still. It's not even noon yet. You know, my kids and mom like to eat early. So, I got the food. I'm so excited to share with you all everything that I ordered for my mom and the kids. They don't know what we're getting yet. It was a little pricey. You know, I'm feeding three and a half people. We'll see how much the kids eat. But everything, including tip, was $70. I'd say medium priced. I just love how quick it was. All right, let's go home and let's do this. Yay! All right, are you guys ready to eat?
Yay!
Wait. I will present every item to you one at a time so that I can tell you about each dish that we're having. Today, we are going to be enjoying Thai food. No toques, mi amor. Don't touch. Thai food is food from Thailand. It is this country that I would love to visit one day. It's an Asian country. You guys have had Japanese food before. Dad took you guys once, remember? It was a while ago. It's important that I expose you guys to different food so that you have a great palate, because your dad and grandmother love to eat.
Yay!
And grandma's over there, very socially distanced because she's being extra cautious these days. All right, let's see what we have first. All right, this is the first thing that I saw. I think these are the Thai dumplings. Yummy. You have to try everything, okay? At least one bite. Tienes que probarlo. And if you don't like it, you don't have to finish it. You have to try it. You have to try it. You have to try it. If you don't, listen to me. One bite. Hay que probarlo. Si no te gusta, no te lo comes. I'm sure that grandma will eat it all, okay? Tú primero? Okay. Hold on.
No te lo comas, pero ponlo en el plato.
No hay que llorar por esto. All right, Mia, you wanted to try it first.
Un pedacito.
You don't have to do that to your nose. You didn't even try it. Let me see. Open your mouth. You did not try it. A bite. No, you licked it. You need to take a bite. No, you did not take a bite. Mia, you don't say ew. Okay.
Sí.
All right. Grandma's going to try it. You want to put the sauce on it? Mario, try it. Take a big bite. Don't respond that way. If you don't like something, you don't behave that way. That's very rude. You didn't try it. You have to swallow it. It's like pasta. It's a dumpling. You don't like it? No? Okay. Hold on. This one I won't touch it. I'll have Maite try Mario's.
Okay.
Pruébalo. Una mordida. Come on. Nada más que una mordida. Una mordida. All right, I'm going to try it. I said I wasn't going to, but...
La salsa está buena, pero spicy para mí.
Okay, don't eat it with the sauce. This is yummy. I think it's pork. Pork dumplings.
Está divine.
Mm-hmm. Grandma's doing her happy dance. All right, let's see what we have next. Here we've got, why don't you open it, Grandma, and see what we've got? I don't even know what's in that one.
Why?
Surprise.
Oh, gyoza. No.
Rose. I don't know the name.
I don't know what that one, hold on, let me see what I ordered. Hold on. I know what that is. It's going to be a surprise. Mario thinks he likes it. You try one.
Coge uno, una mordida.
No. You'll try Mario's in case you don't like it. This is a surprise. I know what it is.
I like it.
You like it?
Dale un pedazo
Okay.
de nada.
Mia can have one if she wants it.
Ah, okay. Es como una empanadita.
It's a fried banana.
No te me gusta.
Oh.
Fried banana.
Maite, ¿quieres fry banana? Coge.
Oh, you want to try this? She could try Mia's.
Ah, bueno,
Mia.
mía, dale a morder.
Es muy rico.
Here, let me look at it so I could show my friend. Look.
Es muy rico.
The banana is wrapped in dough.
¿El mío? Ok.
No, pero entero no, dale un pedazo.
Está muy rico.
Yay! I'm glad you like this one.
Plato.
Why don't you try one, Grandma?
Dame plato.
Maite, siente.
Oh, she wants her plate, yes. I'm glad the kids like something. I think that's a sweet sauce.
I have to see.
And this is an appetizer. Isn't that interesting? In some countries, you have something sweet as an appetizer.
Rica.
Yay!
No quise terminar porque era muy dulce para mí.
It was too sweet for you? How do you like it, Grandma?
Good.
Good?
I like way more this than that.
I like the other one too. I'm not
No,
gonna
I like the first one.
I like this one.
I'm not gonna have a bite of that one. I already had one little treat and I'm good.
But I like this one.
Okay, well keep eating it. Okay. All right, let's see what is next.
I want to open it.
Oh, I think-
that this is my favorite.
Okay, this is for later.
I want to open it.
Wait.
What is that for later? I can open
Oh.
That's for that?
Oh, I love this. You can open it. Open that, Mia. Wait, hold on. Let me get around.
What's that?
That's our entree. Entree means main dish.
It's pasta.
Yummy.
This what it is?
No, you don't eat it like that. You have to put it on your plate first. Okay. This is a very special fried rice. Okay, you don't. That's sausage. Mia, you don't touch the food, okay? You don't touch the food, Mia. You have to wait till I serve it to you, okay? Unless I give you permission. You understand? Okay. So you don't want to try the fried...
Favorite thing in now.
Do you want to try the fried rice, Mario? You have to try it. Mia, I'll put a little bit for you as well. Hold on.
Which rice?
No, don't. I will put it on your plate. I will put it on your plate. Okay? Relax. What? Is there something spicy in there?
Oh my God.
I made sure that everything I ordered was not spicy, Mom.
Papi, voy a probar todo así.
You're gonna try it? All right.
Yuck.
What?
Yucky.
It's not yucky, Mia.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Lo voy a poner ahí.
All right. Mario, try yours.
Dale, Mayito.
I'm still eating this.
We'll try a little bit of this now.
A mí solo me gusta el pan de estos. ¿Ya te Lela?
A Maite le gustó y a Mayito.
What?
Me gusta un poco.
Oh, look. Mario likes it.
A little bit.
Try it again. It's just rice with...
¿No te gustó?
It's rice with some meat and eggs. You like it, all right. Mario liked it. Maite, pruébalo, mi amor. Try it.
No puedo comerme.
Una cucharada.
No.
Oh, whatever. All right, I'm gonna try it. Why not?
Me voy a lavar las manos porque están pegajosas de miel.
This has nothing of spice, Mom.
El mío yo no he comido 3. Es un cebollín así. Pero es un veneno. Te llega al alma.
It's very spicy for her, she
Mira,
says.
aquí está. Creo que se...
No. Es redondo.
Y pequeño.
All right. This is my favorite food that's Thai food. This is pad Thai. You're not gonna touch it.
Yo quiero un camarón.
And
solo camarón.
because Grandma loves shrimp so much, I got shrimp pad Thai. It's pasta and nuts and yumminess.
This is spicy. Try it. I say
No.
It's spicy.
That wasn't Grandma's thing. That looks like a little chili. All right.
I only want to eat camarón.
Mira, siéntate.
It's very.
Maite,
I only
siéntate.
want to
Woo! Okay, wow, that is spicy. That's a little
Yo
spicy.
me tragué 3 cosas de esas.
All right,
No había nada.
let's serve the pad Thai.
No, nada.
So Mia just wanted a shrimp from the pad Thai. You don't like it?
No,
All right, I'll eat it.
Maite.
Pero esto.
Maite,
No
déjame.
quiero
Bueno, ya se sabe que
esto.
no lo quieres. déjalo.
Okay, yo me lo como. Está bien, déjalo ahí, déjalo ahí. How's the pad Thai, Grandma? Not great?
Not great.
Why?
I was expecting with rice.
That was the other dish. This is with pasta. I normally order the chicken pad Thai, but I got the shrimp one for my mom, and she didn't even love it.
You deserve it. You can eat it.
I love it. This pasta is called glass noodles. Glass noodles.
Very good, Sandan.
Want to open this?
No te levantes más.
Open that. Let's see what's in there.
Okay. What is this?
Let's see.
Yay.
Oh, these are gyoza. I love these.
Could I try them?
They're like pot stickers.
Mama, could I try one?
Okay.
Maite, cómele de tu hermana. Maite, no lo toques.
I have one.
All right. Mmm.
Super rico.
You like this one? All right.
But I like the banana.
As the kids get older, they get more adventurous. Mario's liked some of it. Mmm. That's really yummy.
How are you? How do you like the chili?
I don't know.
Está un poquito picante.
It's it's medium heat. It's not hot heat. I like medium heat.
¿Qué?
That was yummy.
This how
Yeah, don't eat that.
how heat it was.
I don't know. Medium, I said.
You tried this. How heat it was.
Medium.
Oh. No.
All right, Mario, open this.
Yeah, I am my
For dessert, I wanted to get you guys something very Thai, very unique. It's called rambutan. I don't think, maybe grandma's had it. Have you had rambutan before?
Maybe in Vegas.
In Vegas. You probably have.
Yeah, but I don't remember.
Be careful.
What is this?
It's rambutan.
It's a drink?
No, open it.
Yeah.
No. I'll open it. I'll open it for you.
Ese.
You want
En
to
el
eat?
Venetian.
You want to eat one? All right. I washed. He can get one, Mia.
En el Venetian.
Rambutan.
Mejor lo quiero con la cuchara.
Okay.
No. Ay, ¿qué es?
I'll give it to you, Mia.
No, mira, ¿qué tú cogiste? Es un hielo.
Here.
A ver cómo Mía salva. No.
Maite,
It's
no
a
cojas
fruit.
que eso no te gusta.
It's a fruit. Try it. You didn't even bite it. Bite it.
No, está aquí.
Bite it. You didn't. No, don't put it back in. Bite it,
I
Mia.
want to try one. I want
No,
All right.
ponga para atrás ahí.
Try Mia's. She didn't even try it.
Bien, me gusta. Quiero hielo.
It's sweet.
I like it.
Hey, look. You see, in a couple years, Mia will be more open to other foods. When you're this young, Mia, stay seated though. What does it taste like, Mario?
Candy.
Candy, but it's fruit. It's healthier for you. This will be great to cleanse your palate, Grandma. Here, let me get you a clean, I'll get a spoon for yours to take it out. You've had these before. Rambutan. In Vegas, you said.
En Vegas.
You want one? Get uno. Okay. Mia didn't want one. Mia has been the least adventurous of everybody.
Póngalo aquí.
Okay.
Oye, esto no.
¿No te gusta?
Quiero de otro.
Es lo mismo. It's the same thing. Cómetelo.
Quiero de otro.
No.
Tu papá
Está
se lo
bien.
come, déjalo ahí.
Quiero de otro. Quiero de otro.
No, I'm not going to give you another one. That's brand new.
Otro.
No. Okay, all right, forget about it. No more. All good.
En Nueva York, carísimo la libra. Pero lichis.
These taste just like lychee.
Oh, I know. I told you before I ate it.
Son primos hermanos.
Son primos hermanos.
It's so yummy.
Hermanos.
Mmm.
Mia is missing out.
I do like it.
I want another one, Grandma.
I have to think about it.
There's so many in there.
No, nada más que quedan tres, no es so many, ¿no?
No, there's more than 3, I see.
There's like 4 at least.
Grandma does not know how to count.
Mmm, yummy. And you know what? I ate a little bit of everything. I didn't have like huge portions, so This still was, I would say, a sensible lunch.
Thank you.
For me.
You finished them all?
Yeah.
You like the rambutan.
I love them.
And lychees.
For me, it's delicious. When I live in New York, I thought,
You lived in New York?
yes,
You were very lucky to live in New York
I know.
with your son for 3 years.
Yes, I know.
Those were fun years.
I live in Manhattan.
Yeah.
That island is the best in the world.
And you ate a lot of lychees there?
A lot of them, I took the subway, and when they put the fruits in the outside in summertime, I used to go and buy 2 or 3 pounds for myself.
2 or 3 pounds? Would they come cut up already? Or?
No, you have to clean it.
Oh, you have to clean it yourself?
Yeah.
And you would go to Chinatown to get them?
To Chinatown.
Just to get lychees?
Yes, to get delicious.
Seriously?
Yes, because I love them.
Really?
I learned how to eat lychees in Miami, Florida.
Yeah? How?
Yeah. In Homestead.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love them. Lychees is the best.
Same thing, rambutan, lychees.
Oh, thank you so much.
What do you say, Mia?
Thank you.
¿Qué se dice, Maite? ¿Qué se dice?
Thank you, people. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. Look at you, you're still eating. I love it. And you ate the most out of everybody. High
I
five.
don't like the banana.
And he liked everything. He liked the
No,
goiza.
I just like the banana.
But you ate everything. You tried. At least you tried. You tried everything. Unlike somebody named MIA. All right, my friend, that's it. I am stuffed. But no, I'm not stuffed. I am full but not stuffed. I ate but not overate. And I'm very happy right now. You know, the day didn't really go exactly as I had planned, but it was still pretty fabulous, I would say. Right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Thank you for watching and spending the day with us. Coronavirus.
No.
If you enjoyed this video, thank you. You have supported us. You probably paid for our lunch. So God bless you.
Thank you.
If you want to get a Zoom from me, I'm doing that now. I can pop into your Zoom party or talk to you one-on-one or just get a personalized video greeting for yourself or a loved one at cameo.com/Perez Hilton. Of course, listen to my podcast, the Perez Hilton Podcast with Chris Booker on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or directly at perezpodcast.com. And follow me on the social media apps that I'm on. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Snapchat. And I might be trying some other ones out, maybe. We'll see. But until then, thank you. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down below, not in the chat box as well. And anybody who super chatted me, God bless you. Share this video, blah, blah, blah. I can't wait to get a haircut. I love you. Mwah. Bye.
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 Bye.